Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile when it's not available in your country. Many gamers globally enjoy this popular title, but sometimes geographical restrictions can prevent you from joining the fun. Don't worry, we'll explore two main methods to get you into the action, ensuring you can experience the thrilling multiplayer battles and expansive battle royale modes, no matter where you are located. One effective way to access Call of Duty Mobile is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN changes your apparent location by routing your internet connection through a server in a different country. You'll need to select a reliable VPN provider and connect to a server in a region where the game is officially released, such as the United States or Canada. Remember to clear your App Store's cache and data before trying to download the game after activating your VPN. Another method involves manually installing the game using an APK file. An APK, or Android Package Kit, is the file format used by the Android operating system for distribution and installation of mobile applications. You'll need to find a trustworthy website to download both the game's APK and its associated OBB data files. Before installing, ensure your device allows installations from unknown sources in its security settings. After installing the APK, correctly place the OBB data into your device's Android OBB folder. When using these methods, always prioritize safety. Stick to well-known VPN providers and only download APK files from highly reputable sources to avoid security risks. Be aware that using a VPN to gain an unfair advantage, like exploiting regional pricing for in-game items, could lead to account issues. While playing, occasional VPN server changes might cause minor, temporary account flags. Remember that game updates may also require you to reactivate your VPN to access them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.